Our submission to the x402 Agentic Commerce Hackathon is a new type of app we're calling the Agent Manifold. It creates hard separation between agents and private keys and establishes spend controls that an agent cannot disobey. The Agent Manifold consists of these core components. The agent link is a local or LAN server. This also contains agent setup instructions. There's a wallet, there's a spend policy layer, and an AP2 registry. You can create and publish AP2 intent mandates for counterparties to inspect. Let's look at some demo transactions. The first thing I'll do is create a wallet. There's a lot of functionality here, but I'm just going to import a private key. Next, we'll create some spend policies. We're going to select the network scale-based Apolia. The per request max I'm going to put down to 5 cents, and we'll enable auto approve below 10 cents just to save some time. There's a domain allow list and a domain block list as well. Now to register an agent. The agent gets these config details, copy them to the clipboard. We'll use those in just a moment. The new agent starts life in an uncommissioned state. To commission it, we have to attach a spend policy and choose a signing address. We can also here generate an AP2 intent mandate and optionally upload it to the AP2 registry. We commission the agent. The AP2 intent mandate is created and uploaded. There's a human readable part, and you can look at the raw content as well. The registry can be searched, of course, so that prospective merchants can verify an agent's intent mandate. Okay, back to the app. I'm going to start the agent link server and we're ready to go. Our test agent today is a standard Claude instance. I'm going to paste the agent config with no further elaboration. Let's see what he says. The config points the agent to a skill file on the server that we've just set up, and the agent appears to understand. I have a query prepared here to represent a simplified real-life scenario. What I've done is set up 3 different test paywalls. They charge 1, 5, and 15 cents respectively. My prompt asks the agent to examine its intent mandate and then choose the most expensive of the affordable endpoints. Now let's watch the transaction come through on the Manifold app. There, the transaction is signed by us, sent back to the agent. The agent's reported it settled, and then the Primer app verifies that itself on the blockchain. All confirmed. Great. And here it is on the Scale Block Explorer as well. We have an AP2 receipt of this transaction, and of course the agent can request it from the app if that needs to travel back up the chain to the merchant, for example. Let's ask the agent to get the receipt. There you go. Now let's look at a failure. I'm going to change the spend policy to only 2 cents per transaction. It used to be 5, but I'm not going to update the intent mandate. If we view that, now that we've changed the spend policy, there's this warning that the mandate is now stale and it's recommended that we revoke and replace it. But for this demo, I'm intentionally not doing that. So the agent doesn't know we've changed the spend policy. Now I'm asking the agent, try the same endpoint again. If it works, then great. But if it doesn't, then understand why and reconsider our next best option from the 3. This will show us whether the manifold's pay controls are in force and if it's giving constructive, useful information to the agent. The agent began by trying the 5 cents paywall again. It was rejected by the app because we've now set the limits to 2 cents per transaction. The agent, realizing this, has checked his limits, discovered they have changed, and reasoned that he can now only afford the 1 cent option. Taking the 1 cent option, we see it come through on the app. Signed, settled, let's verify, verified. AP2 receipts are, of course, available for failed transactions, not just successful ones. The Agent Manifold is a robust desktop app for serious, secure multi-agent management. It will work seamlessly with any competent agent, and AP2 mandates and receipts ensure compliant, coherent record keeping. Thanks for watching.